Hello everyone. In this lesson we'll be discussing about monsoon. I am Bhumika Seni. I have done my engineering from NIT Jaipur. You can follow me on Unacademy by following this link. Unacademy courses are free of cost, but if you like the course, you can pay an optional fee by following the contribute link on Unacademy. Now, what is monsoon? Monsoon, the word is derived from mosim, that is an Arabic word that means seasonal reversal of wind, right? So, monsoon is actually a seasonal shift in wind direction and pressure distribution that causes a change in precipitation, right? Now, how this pressure imbalance is created? It is created when temperatures across the landmass, such as India and Asia, that it is significantly warmer or cooler than those over neighboring water bodies or oceans, right? So this is the difference in temperature on the land as well as on the sea. So these temperature imbalance happen because oceans and land absorb heat in different ways. So there is differential heating of oceans and land. Bodies of water, they are more slow to heat up and cool down, while land both heats and cools quickly. So due to this differential heating, there is temperature imbalance, and due to this temperature imbalance, there is pressure imbalance, right? And that causes a seasonal shift in wind direction and pressure. So you can see it here during summers when there is low pressure on the land and relatively high pressure on the sea. So the winds move from high pressure to low pressure, that is towards India. And during winters, just the reverse happen. Here the land has high pressure and the water body has relatively low pressure, so the winds move from high pressure to low pressure. So during winters we have northeast winds. That is what is monsoon, that is seasonal reversal in wind direction. Okay, so these all we'll be studying in the next few slide. One is the onset and entry of monsoon. First it enters Kerala on 1st June. Then we'll discuss about the rain bearing system, that is Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Then we'll study about the breaks in the monsoon, right? Then distribution of monsoon rainfall in the world and in India. Okay, so let's first study onset of monsoon. Now, during April and May, what happens? The sun shines vertically over Tropic of Cancer, and the large landmass in the north of Indian Ocean get intensely heated. This we've already done, and that leads to formation of intense low pressure in the northwestern part of subcontinent. Right. So the pressure in the Indian Ocean in the south of landmass is high as the water gets heated slowly. Just now we have done that there is differential heating of land and sea. You can see it here. Here there is high pressure because it is cooler ocean. Here there is a low pressure because the landmass is intensely heating during summers, right? That's why the movement from high pressure to low pressure. This is just the reverse in winter. That also we have done high pressure on land and warmer ocean, and that's why low pressure on water bodies, and the reversal in wind direction from land to the towards the water body. Right, now after onset we'll study about the entry of monsoon. Now monsoon sets in over the Kerala coast by 1st June, right? It moves swiftly to reach Mumbai and Kolkata. It reaches Mumbai on 10th of June and Kolkata by 13th of June, right? And by mid July this whole monsoon engulfs the entire subcontinent. You can see it in this image. 1st June it is hitting Kerala, then it is moving northwards, then 10th June Mumbai, then somewhere around 13th June Kolkata, right? And by whole July, you can see it here, by whole July it is engulfing the whole Indian mainland. Now there are two rain bearing systems in monsoon. One is first originate in the Bay of Bengal, causing rainfall over the plains of North India, and the second one is Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon, which brings rain to the west coast of India. So one is this Arabian Sea branch and the second one is Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, so through these two branches India gets monsoon rainfall. Okay, now let's discuss these two branches in detail. So the first one is Arabian Sea branch. Now the monsoon winds originating over Arabian Sea, it further splits into three branches. So here further Arabian Sea branch is bifurcated into three branches. First branch is obstructed by Western Ghats. These winds climb the slopes of Western Ghats from around 900 to 1200 meter. You can see it here. This is the first branch. This is the second branch, and this one is the third branch. Okay, so in the first branch the winds, they are crossing over the slopes of Western Ghats. They become cool because of the Western Ghats, right? And the windward side of Sahyadris and the western coastal plain, they receive very heavy rainfall because they lie on the windward side, and the rainfall range between 250 to 400 centimeter, right? So after crossing the Western Ghats, these winds descend and they get heated up, so that reduces the humidity in the wind, and as a result These winds cause little rainfall east of Western Ghat. That is known as rain shadow area. So on this side, on the western side, we'll have windward side, and on the eastern side, we'll have rain shadow area. So this is about the first branch that is obstructed by Western Ghat. Now another branch of Arabian Sea monsoon strikes the coast north of Mumbai, right? So as such, this branch is moving along Narmada and Tapi river valley, and these winds cause rainfall in extensive area of central India. So in the interior parts of central India, this second branch of Arabian Sea will cause rainfall. So Chota Nagpur plateau will get around 15 centimeter rainfall from this part of branch, right? And thereafter they enter the Ganga plains and mingle with the Bay of Bengal branch. Now this one is the second branch, right? So it is entering this Narmada and Tapi river valley. It is mingling with the Bay of Bengal branch, right? And it is causing rainfall in the Chota Nagpur region also. Okay, now the third branch, it strikes the Saurashtra peninsula and the Kutch, and it then passes over Rajasthan, and along the Aravallis it causes only a scanty rainfall. So in Punjab and Haryana, it will join the Bay of Bengal branch, and these two branches, that is Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, that will be reinforced by each other and cause rainfall in Western Himalaya. So this is the third branch over Gujarat, then Rajasthan, and then extending till Punjab, Haryana. Okay. So this is about the Arabian Sea. Now let's study about the Bay of Bengal. So Bay of Bengal branch, it strikes the coast of Myanmar and parts of Bangladesh, but the Arakan Hills, that is the Arakan Yoma Hills in the Myanmar, they deflect this branch towards the Indian subcontinent, right? And that's why the monsoon, it enters in West Bengal and Bangladesh from south and southeast, not from southwesterly direction, right? So from here again, this branch splits into two: one under the influence of Himalaya and the thermal low in northwest India, right? So one branch is moving along the Ganga plains and reaching till Punjab, and the other branch, it moves up in the Brahmaputra valley and it causes rainfall in the northeast India, right? It's this branch, that is the second branch, which causes rainfall in the Meghalaya region, where we have the Khasi Hills, and in Khasi Hills we have Mausan Ram and Cherrapunji. So you can see it here. This one is the Bay of Bengal branch. It is bifurcated into two. One branch moves along Ganga plain, and second branch causing rainfall in the northeast. And here we have the Meghalaya plateau, where in Khasi Hills we have Mausan Ram. Okay. Now Tamil Nadu coast remains dry during this southwest monsoon, because Tamil Nadu is situated parallel to Bay of Bengal, right? And it lies in the rain shadow area of Arabian Sea branch. So you can see it here. Here we have Tamil Nadu. So Arabian Sea branch, it lies on the rain shadow area of Arabian Sea, and it moves. This Tamil Nadu region is parallel to the Bay of Bengal branch. That's why this Tamil Nadu region remains dry. Now let's study about breaks. There are dry spells during the rainy season, right? So these breaks are due to different reasons. One is in North India, what happens, rains fail if the rain bearing storms are not frequent along the monsoon trough or IT season. So remember, if the rain bearing storms are not frequent, then breaks will occur. And the second reason may be over the west coast, if the winds blow parallel to the coast, then also dry spells or breaks in the monsoon occur. Okay. Now this is about the distribution of monsoon rainfall in India. You can see it here, the dark shaded regions. These are the regions where we have more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Now the regions adjoining them, we have 100 to 200 centimeter rainfall. This one 100 to 200 centimeter, and this one, okay, this one also. Then in the interior parts we have between 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall, and in this region, Thar region, in the Ladakh region, and in the interior parts of this peninsula, we have less than 50 centimeter rainfall. This is the drought prone area. Okay. Now monsoon, apart from India, it also affects the southeast Africa, Pakistan, and this whole Indian subcontinent, parts of China, the northern Australia, the southeast Asian countries. So these are the countries where monsoon is affecting, right? Now let's study about the characteristics. Now rainfall received from southwest monsoon, it is concentrated between June and September. This rainfall is largely governed by relief or topography. It occurs in wet spells, and there are intermittent breaks that we've already discussed. This comes in a heavy downpour. It leads to considerable surface runoff, and it also leads to soil erosion. And this plays an important role in agrarian economy of India, because 3/4 of total rain in country is received through southwest monsoon. Then its spatial distribution is uneven, because the rain may range from 12 centimeter in Thar desert to 250 in the western Ghats. Then there may be delay in rainfall, or there may be early withdrawal of rainfall also, that causes damage to standing crops, and it makes the sowing of winter crops difficult. So this is all about monsoon. Thank you.